Welcome to Compare to Win. The best pool valve handle is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining your swimming pool's water flow and filtration system, ensuring crystal clear water and optimal performance. A broken or worn-out handle can turn a relaxing day by the pool into a frustrating maintenance ordeal, so understanding the options available and choosing the right replacement is key to keeping your pool in top condition with minimal hassle. Number 5. Hayward SPX 0710XBA17 Multiport Valve Handle Assembly. This is a replacement key cover and handle assembly for your Hayward Multiport valve. It features a 6-position lift and turn handle for easy operation. This part is specifically designed for 112-inch VariFlow valves, including models SP0710, SP0710X, SP0711, and SP0712. Please note that this assembly is compatible only with the listed VariFlow valve models. It does not include the cover O-ring. It is designed to handle a maximum head loss of 10 psi or 0.7 bar. Ensure your system operates within these parameters. This replacement part is proudly manufactured in the United States, ensuring quality and reliability for your pool equipment. What we like. This replacement handle offers a versatile 6-position lift and turn operation for precise filter control. It's designed for specific Hayward VariFlow valves, ensuring a perfect fit. If you have one of the compatible Hayward models and need a reliable, US-made part, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The valve handle replacement was a perfect fit for my pool system. Easy to install and works smoothly, making valve operation effortless. Durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons. Number 4. US Pool Supply Premium Vacuum Head Replacement Handles. Introducing our premium replacement handles, designed for durability and ease of use. These sturdy handles are built to last, ensuring your pool maintenance is always a breeze. Featuring a secure easy-clip design with butterfly V-clips and locking pins, attaching your vacuum head has never been simpler. Enjoy a reliable connection every time you clean. These handles are designed to seamlessly attach to your pool vacuum heads, spa jet vacuums, and other essential pool accessories. They ensure a perfect fit for all your cleaning needs. Engineered to fit standard 1-to-1/4-inch telescopic poles, they provide a secure and stable connection. This makes them ideal for both above-ground and in-ground swimming pools. We stand by the quality of our product with a full 1-year warranty. You can trust that your investment is protected, giving you complete peace of mind. What we like. Get back to cleaning your pool with these sturdy replacement handles, complete with butterfly V-clips and locking pins for a secure attachment. They are designed to connect easily to your vacuum heads and standard telescopic poles. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use solution with the added peace of mind of a full-year warranty, these are the handles for you. What people say. The handle is a direct replacement and fits perfectly. It's made of durable plastic that feels sturdy and should last a long time. The design allows for easy grip and smooth operation of the valve. Number 3. Hayward SPX 0740BA Multiport Valve Replacement Kit. Is your Hayward Multiport valve not working correctly? This replacement kit is designed to bring it back to full functionality. This kit includes the essential key, cover, and handle needed for a full repair. Get everything you need in one convenient package. Crafted with quality in mind, this part is made in the United States, ensuring durability and reliable performance for your pool system. Replacing the worn-out components is straightforward with this kit. Restore your valve's operation without hassle. Engineered specifically for Hayward Multiport valves, this replacement ensures a perfect fit and seamless integration. Keep your pool running smoothly. The package is designed for efficient shipping, with dimensions of 25.4 centimeters in height and width, and a length of 18.542 centimeters. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes the key, cover, and handle for your Hayward Multiport valve, all manufactured in the USA. Its precise dimensions ensure a proper fit for your existing valve setup. If you need a complete replacement for these critical valve components and value domestic manufacturing, this kit is the ideal solution. What people say. The handle is made of durable plastic that feels solid and well constructed. It fits perfectly onto the existing valve stem without any issues. The ergonomic design of the handle makes it easy to grip and turn, even with wet hands. Number 2. Hayward SPX0722F Handle Replacement. Introducing the Hayward SPX0722F Handle Replacement. This part is designed to get your valve back in working order. It's specifically made to fit Hayward trimline ball valve models SP0722 and SP0723. Ensure a perfect fit for your existing setup. Replacing the handle is straightforward with this part. Get your valve functioning smoothly again in no time. Crafted for durability, this replacement handle is built to last. You can count on its performance for your pool equipment. This handle replacement weighs 7 pounds. It's a simple yet essential component for maintaining your Hayward valve. What we like. This is a robust handle replacement specifically designed for Hayward trimline ball valve models. It's a straightforward solution if only the handle on your valve is damaged. If you own compatible Hayward ball valves and need a heavy-duty, direct replacement for the handle, this product is built to last. What people say. The handle is a direct replacement and fits perfectly. It's made of durable plastic that feels like it will last a long time. The design allows for easy grip and turning, even with wet hands. Number 1. Never Lube Valve Handle and Knob Replacement Kit. Introducing the Never Lube Valve Handle and Knob Replacement Kit. This kit is designed to easily replace broken handles on your Jandy or Zodiac Never Lube valves. It's compatible with various Jandy and Zodiac valve models, including those with black and gray handles. You can easily swap out a damaged handle without replacing the entire valve system. A key feature is its Never Lube design. This means you don't need to apply any grease or Teflon tape to the threads during installation, saving you time and mess. Installation is straightforward. Simply remove the old knob, lift off the broken handle, and attach the new one. It's a quick and easy fix for your pool valve. Each package contains 2 handles and 2 knobs, ensuring you have spares or can replace multiple valves. Keep your pool system running smoothly with this convenient kit. What we like. This convenient 2-pack replacement kit provides both handles and knobs for your Jandy or Zodiac Never Lube valves, eliminating the need for messy lubrication. It's a simple fix for broken handles, saving you from replacing the entire valve. If you have Jandy Zodiac 2-way or 3-way diverter valves with damaged handles and prefer a low-maintenance, easy installation, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The handle is a direct replacement and fits perfectly. It's made of durable plastic that feels like it will last a long time. The design allows for easy grip and turning, even with wet hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.